Once there was a mountain called Peak 15. Nothing was known about it. But in 1852, the surveyors found it was the highest in the world, and they named it Everest. When men were first drawn to Everest, it was an unknown quantity. Something entirely beyond them. Something entirely beyond them. A climber climbs with his guts, his brains, his soul, and his feet. All of them bound for a cold, white world. A world that is all up and up. At such heights, when you're lacking oxygen, you may think you're normal, but you're not. You're moving in a dream that deludes and debilitates. Why should a man climb Everest? Because it is